On July 14th, I proposed a plan which was unanimously approved by the Orange County Board of Supervisors to allocate $10 million of CARES Act funding to help restaurants keep their employees and customers safe from COVID-19 by providing cash grants that they can use to cover the cost of cleaning supplies and personal protective equipment. Today, that plan is known as the SafeDineOC Restaurant Program. We know that face masks, frequent hand washing, and social distancing are critical measures that we all must take in the fight against COVID-19. But for restaurants in particular, surface cleaning is also a critical measure to help stop the spread of this virus. Orange County restaurants that have had no uncorrected major violations from their last routine health inspection are eligible to receive a $1,000 grant for taking steps to prevent the spread of COVID-19 in their physical location. This includes purchases for masks, gloves, and other personal protective equipment, as well as for site reconfiguration, employee training, cleaning supplies, etc. Qualified restaurants will also be listed on the Orange County Business Council's website as a SafeDineOC restaurant. This list will be searchable, and we hope it will go a long way in recruiting more restaurants into the SafeDineOC program. And also for residents to know which restaurants are complying with safety guidelines. For more information about the grant program, please visit SafeDineOC.com. It is available in multiple languages. The application period for the grant program began on August 6th and ends in 60 days, or whenever funding is fully allocated, whichever occurs first. We all need to continue to support small businesses that are protecting their employees and customers from COVID-19. As always, stay safe, stay healthy, and mask up OC.